My beautiful and amazing people, hey, hey. Wonders they say it shall never end. Omo, with this very information, when I carry come for una like this, so omo, e dey me very very sure say that man wey dey call Chinedu, aka Ned Nwoko, e no dey normal o. Something is wrong upstairs, like something is wrong. Is he okay at home? Because omo, I no understand. If dem catch Ipa dis way, e go comot for dis way enter another way. Which way, my people? Make una draw una chair come closer o. Make una come hear matter wey dey ground. Omo, before I go cap una the koko of the kokolin, I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I had to so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in His infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pockets, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. Na me dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God to beg una, make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, no be small thing o. It is at this junction I must say, if these informations are all correct, na im be say there is something in Regina Daniel wey Ipa don see, wey make am no fit leave Regina Daniel alone. Could this be love? Could this be love? Oh, shey na love oh. Life is nothing without you. There is something about you. Could this be love? Oh, e be like say that song na for Ipa and Regina Daniel na im dey sing am. Una know the drama wey happen for Cameroon now, just 3 days ago, wey be say no be small thing. As dem don catch Ipa red-handed unto say the guys wey Regina Daniel say dey stalk her up and down, dey follow her up and down, dey finally use their camera take sight dem, arrest dem, put dem for inside de ten tion. Na im whether dem come go find out, e come be say na Ipa na im send dem make dem just dey follow Regina Daniel become her escort on top of the one wey she get, become bodyguard on top of the ones wey she don already get, wey dem don provide for her for there. Na only God na im know. Now wey dem don finally send Ipa message, una know talk say for people wey no dey follow up, after dey cut those people, dey ask dem series of questions say, come, who send una message? Dey say nobody, say dey just dey unfortunate say anywhere wey Regina dey, dey always find theirself for such environment, say nobody send dem. After dey ask, so dey say nobody send dem. So maybe later when Regina Daniel comot for there, but she, the Regina don already know, talk say something is wrong somewhere, because no be today na that thing dey happen. Even when she been that, when the incident bin happen between she and Ipa, something like that happen, wey Ipa send people make dem dey follow her up and down, wey she even come talk am for her official handle. No be me talk am o. Regina Daniel bin come talk am for her official handle say Ipa dey send people to stalk her o. Wetin happen? Say make nothing happen to her o. Wey the brother too come dey talk am say im wan go do boxing. Anything happen to im sister, anybody touch im sister, na that day that person go know am. But e no call anybody name. Now she say such kind of thing bin don happen before, but she no believe say e go still repeat itself for here again. Na im make she even complain. Say but she know where it is coming from. Even when they refuse to confess, they refuse to talk say see who send them, until after they don touch wetin no good for their body, whether maybe they later reveal the secret say na Ipa or no be Ipa send them, wey come make the management wey send invitation to Regina Daniel come send message to Ipa say they are highly disappointed in him and everything wey he represent. They thought that as a matured and elderly person, he would have behaved more matured. That why would he go this length? Even after they called him that they want Regina, he was saying a lot of things just to discourage them, make them no call am. They still ended up calling her because they felt she will be highly appreciated. Like she will be, and people would like to see her because now she fits in that description of wetin they really want do as at that point in time. So no be bad thing if they call her. When they finally call her, she came. So they are not even expecting such attitude from his end. And what will he stand to gain if he do dat girl something. Na im Ipa now come go my pipu, dey say no be small thing oo. Him now he come dey beg again. 1 minute dis man is doing something else wey make me ask dat question for the beginning of my video say una sure say dis man dey okay at home? Una sure say im dey alright? Dat injection wey Regina Daniel talk say wen she bin dey Ipa house, the doctor wey come wey dey give her bipolar injection for injection for bipolar disorder, all in the name of say dem dey rehab her. Una sure say dem no give Ipa too? Because I no understand. 1 minute the man dey do something else, another minute e dey do something else. Na you wey dey follow dis girl up and down, na you wey dey scatter dis girl, na you wey don even come dis social media space come talk a lot. The same you dey still call her for dem wanted to invite her, dey come through you. You still wan scatter the whole thing, making everybody know that see, even if truly she dey into those things, for the fact say she get pikin for you, are you not supposed to shield her? Are you not supposed to cover her? Are you not supposed to cover her secret? Because you know talk say those children go grow come see all those things for media. But no, you say lie lie oo, you no go cover wetin you no know. You must sha talk make dem know talk say you be Ipa, you get mouth, you go talk. Now you don talk, dem no hear you, dem still do wetin dey their mind. E still dey pepper you for body, come dey send people. Na im dey say e go meet Regina, e call Regina Daniel, come dey apologize to Regina Daniel that e no still gree say na im send those people oo. E say even if na im send people, e no go wan do anything wey be say e go hurt the Regina Daniel. All is for her good and to protect her from harm. He's not doing all these things because he felt he want to do her wrong. Make she no forget say im don old, and any moment, anytime soon, e fit join im ancestors. Say na she go still come look after their children, and so on and so forth. So what would he gain if he harm her? What would he gain if he do her bad? So guilty conscience don dey worry am, as e be say those people now don tell am say if anything happen to Regina Daniel while she dey for their custody, say they will hold him responsible and accountable. Say make him just dey do anything wey him dey do for Nigeria there, make him no carry am enter their own side oo. Because if him carry am enter their own side, anything happen to the girl, they will hold am for chest for that matter. Na im oo, Ipa come, whether na that time him come realize himself say no, this girl no deserve all the things when I dey do her like this oo, make I go apologize. But in all, wetin Ipa suppose do na dis same media space wey im come disgrace dat girl, na im suppose still come publicly talk am to the whole world say maybe I acted out of wetin dis girl no dey into all these things. I just want to prove a point. Na the tactics wey I dey use dey take pursue all my wives dem so that they no go leave me. By the time when I talk that one now, they will be rejected, they will feel neglected, people will want to abandon them, so they will now decide to come back to me. And na the tactics wey I dey always use, na im make I dey always tag druggy to their this thing, and I dey always dey introduce them to the druggy say na my fantasy, so that they go dey high. If dem don high finish, later I go come use am against them. But I am sorry. We know say human being, to forgive, we dey easily forget, we dey easily move on. Definitely they will forgive him. The whole internet go feel for am say true old age don come oo, true he love Regina Daniel, and everybody go enter house. But no, you go come drop press release wey dey contrary to wetin you dey go privately dey go dey talk. Come go privately go dey talk another thing, dey apologize. Now they say no be small thing oo. Ipa don dey beg Regina Daniel that he is sorry, that even if he send anybody, is not to harm her. Shey she no see say they just dey follow her, they no do her anything. It's just for them to guide his property. I am like, what? Who is his property now? The whole matter, e weak me. Like idodo wey fall for inside oil, abi na inside water dem call am sef. I say na wow, na love na im dem dey call this one, abi na obsession, abi na this man is just a narcissist that just don't want to let go. Because you know say the format wey im dey use, e don cast. Normally before na dem im wives dem go later return back come even apologize to am, say because of im children they don come back. But this time around, Regina Daniel don leave im children for am, turn am to single father. Say na every Eke market dem dey go play table ten nis, dey go sports, dey go dey chop food for restaurant, from eatery. If na im dey feed dem now, e no dey even give nanny make dem feed dem again. Na im dey feed dem. E don turn to single father all of a sudden. Whereas the other wives, if dem go, they go say, because of their children, they go return back. In as much as Regina Daniel don fight for the children, she see say im wan use the children take get to her. She leave am for God, say time will come when those children go later look for her. They go know say yes, she try. She leave am for am. And na the best option so far, na im she do so, because time will definitely come. Those children will know that yes, their mama tried their best, because na because of those children na im make Regina Daniel fit wait till now like this. And she stated it on her last video when she dey try to defend herself. She say she waited till this very time because of those children. God knows she endured a lot, but she cannot continue. She felt now is the best time. She no know any name wey anybody wan call her o, but she sha don try. So as im come dey use those children now, dey use am dey manipulate, dey do one or two, she just decide say make she sha leave am for am. Everybody go later dey alright. Even the children, they will be fine. Nothing will do them, because he like children and he no go wan do them anything. And even anybody wey dey around those children no go wan harm them, because they know say the father na no nonsense. You know they tolerate. So last, everybody will be fine. So like this, so omo, Ipa don dey beg. Hey, I say I find am so very difficult to believe that Ipa will go and start begging again. Wetin e dey beg for exactly? Wey make me conclude within myself say true e be like say e get wetin dey for Regina Daniel body wey dis man dey find. Because I no just fit believe 100% say na love, because na him practically talk am when im go Arise abi na Channels, go talk am say wahala for man wey go marry one wife wey stand on one leg. Say thank God im get plenty. If one soldier go, soldier come, barrack still remain, im still dey with other legs. So what now happen? Instead of you to quickly go marry another leg wey go replace Regina Daniel, you no gree marry another leg. The one wey come dey for your house wey you suppose stay whole body, you no still gree use am whole body. You no still use am whole body. You still dey go behind again, dey go dey beg Regina Daniel. My people, make una come o. Make una come o, make we chook mouth for dis matter o. Una sure say dis whole thing dey ordinary? Wey make me I dey talk am say una sure say that thing wey dey give Regina Daniel, or hey God, person wey say im be vegetarian, shebi that thing wey Regina Daniel dey take that time, you sure say this man never dey take am? Because I no understand. Make una come, make we interact for the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like, for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. Now dey bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.